Please now insert your card to skip the orientation. The card reader is located above the headphone jack. The keys are arranged in a pattern similar to that of a telephone keypad, with an extra column of keys on the right side. From top down, this additional column of keys are cancel, clear and enter. Press the cancel button at any time to restart your transaction. Press the number 9 key at any time to repeat the spoken text. Preparing your transaction. Would you like to turn off the screen while you use this ATM? To select yes, press 1. To select no, press 2. No was selected. Preparing your transaction. Preparing your transaction. Main menu. Please choose your transaction. Press 1 for balance and cash. Press 2 for cash withdrawal. Press 3 for lodgement. Press 4 for balance. Press 5 for mini statement. Press 6 for PIN services. Press cancel to cancel transaction. Lodgement was selected. Beneficiary account. Press 1 to lodge to this card's account. 2 to lodge to another AIB account. Press cancel to cancel transaction. This card's account was selected. In support of a cleaner environment, receipts print only when specifically requested. Press 1 to continue. No receipt selected. You have the option of entering a narrative for this lodgement. Press 1 to enter a narrative, or 2 to continue without entering a narrative. You pressed 2. Please ensure your cash lodgement does not contain any coins, clips or staples, rubber bands or folded notes. Preparing your transaction. Please insert your notes into the cash pocket above the screen. You can insert up to 250 notes at a time. Preparing your transaction. Preparing your transaction. Preparing your transaction. You have lodged to your card 1 of 20 notes, value €20, 1 of 50 notes, value €50. The total value of the cash lodgement is €70. Please press 1 to confirm, or press 2 to cancel, or 3 to add more notes. You pressed 1. Preparing your transaction. Preparing your transaction. Please take your card. The card reader is located above the headphone jack. You can then remove your earphones or audio device from the ATM.